In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your properties on Booking.com. We'll walk through exactly where to click so you can quickly open the overview of the properties you manage. I'll keep it simple and clear, and by the end, you'll know the fastest way to reach your property list every time. Start on the Booking.com homepage. On the top navigation, you'll see a link called List Your Property. Even if your places are already set up, this is the quickest doorway into the partner area. Go ahead and select List Your Property to continue. When that page opens, look to the upper right corner. You'll see the account or profile icon, usually a small person silhouette. Click that icon. It opens a compact menu tied to your partner account, which is where the shortcut to your existing listings lives. In the menu that appears, choose View My Properties. This takes you straight to your property management area without needing to dig through extra navigation. It's a direct path designed for partners who already have listings and simply want to manage or review them. On the dashboard, focus on the section labeled Active Properties. That panel lists the properties currently available in your account. You should see each property's name along with quick indicators like status and basic details. This is your central overview and the best place to confirm that everything is present and up to date. If something looks unfamiliar, remember that Booking.com updates layouts from time to time, and wording can vary slightly by region. The key is the same flow. Open Booking.com, use List Your Property to reach the partner area, open the profile icon, then select View My Properties, and read your list under Active Properties. That's all you need to reliably reach your property overview. Keeping this path in mind makes it quick to check availability, verify statuses, or simply reassure yourself that all your listings are where you expect them to be. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get to your properties faster.